Okay, well, we are out here in the desert and came across some trash. And so we're gonna dig through it to see what I can use for the trailer, and I will show you what I find when I'm done. These dogs are crazy. Look at them, they're crazy. Okay, so here is what I got out of the trash pile. Some pieces of aluminum. Might go back and get a couple more. I have an idea for them. But oh, and I got like a plastic thing. Looks like a gutter-ish. Armor here. I've also gotten a lot of other trash. A grill, a bucket thing. I don't know. But yeah, this thing here, I have an idea. I'm just full of them. But the most exciting thing is, ta-da! Look at this. It's like a floor almost in here. It's crazy. So next step is putting in the actual floor. Woohoo! Woohoo, dogs! Woohoo! Woohoo! Check it out now. Fuck soul brother. Floor. There's a floor. You can walk on it. Woohoo! 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 Are you excited? Yeah! Woohoo! Oh, she's excited! Okay, pardon the mess, but these are what was well, there's two of them. I'm wondering if they're the wings. what are they from? But you know, there's obviously the parts and stuff that aren't in. So here she is. Those little black dots are some metal patches. I have to go through the whole thing. But the exciting news is that there is a floor now, and mostly framed, mostly. Just the ceiling needs done, stabilized. I'm gonna go through with this seal tape and do these seams that on the other side are these. Because a lot of them aren't lining up now. So we're gonna seal that. I'm gonna seal around the windows. Yay. Hi, are you happy? Oh, there's my other happy girl. And then once that's done, little bit of sealing, you can see all the little holes where the light's coming in that I'm gonna do that metal patch on, and then I've sealed some of the floor cracks. I was going to put down a roof coat and a coat on the floor. I'm not gonna have time. So, and underneath before she gets going. But we're gonna, of course, wire up the tail lights, turn signals, things like that. And hopefully the next time you see her, she's ready to roll. As you can see, we battled some pretty strong winds. Here's the damage that happened when the winds came through and pretty much blew off an entire side of the trailer out into the desert. But we had the technology and we rebuilt her. So there she is.